So this is not force-fed information by any means. You can turn off this fucking video, but I just always wanted to solve a Rubik's Cube on YouTube because it just seemed like it'd be really fun. So I'm gonna do that right now. It's all messy, don't worry. And actually, I just want you to know, everyone, that when you're solving a Rubik's Cube, it doesn't really matter how messed up it is when you're solving it, especially if you're an amateur like I am. The first thing you want to do, which I'm not really here to teach you because I want to wow your pants off that I can actually do it, and if I were to teach you how to do this, you wouldn't think I was as cool as some of you might think I am. But whatever. My Rubik's Cube sucks ball sack, actually. It's like needs to be Vaselined or something, but just feel like that's a lot of work to go through when I'm not a fucking speed solver by any stretch of the word. There was a point though, like I wanted to be good at it, and then when my Rubik's Cube sucked so bad, I was like, well, I could pay money for a new one, or I could just go on with my life the way that it is. You know? I guess, like, I've just always... Stupid things suck so bad. I've always just wanted to be able to solve a Rubik's Cube. Like, that was a goal I had growing up. And eventually I just sat down and fucking figured out how to do it, which is always fun and exciting. Shit. Almost messed it up. Keep doing that. Stop it. Fucking bitch. So much, baby, you're a firework. Come and show you what you're worth. Here we go. Yay! Booyah, Grandma! Solved a Rubik's Cube in a lot of fucking time.